Crypto Marketing Services Singapore, Token Marketing Agency. Professional crypto marketing services in Singapore. When you're building a crypto project targeting Singapore, you're not just entering another market. You're stepping into a unique ecosystem with its own rules, culture, and opportunities. Here's what most marketing agencies won't tell you about Singapore's crypto scene. Singapore's MAS, Monetary Authority, has created the gold standard for crypto regulation with their digital payment token framework. Since April 2024, the Expanded Payment Services Act requires all crypto service providers to segregate customer assets and maintain 250,000 Singapore dollars minimum capital. Singapore traders are obsessed with regulatory arbitrage opportunities. The city-state's position between Asian and European markets creates unique 24/7 trading opportunities. At Token Marketing, we've spent 2 decades navigating these nuances. With 470+ successful campaigns across global markets, we understand that copy-paste marketing doesn't work. Singapore demands a specialized approach, and that's exactly what we deliver. Message us on Telegram. Let's discuss how we can position your altcoin project for Singapore success. Understanding Singapore's unique crypto landscape. Working Singapore hours, Sergeant UTC+8, means we're active during both the Asian market open and can catch late-night European moves. But here's what separates successful altcoin launches from the failures in Singapore: understanding the local mindset. Singapore's sophisticated institutional investors demand compliance-first marketing. Retail crypto adoption is cautious but deep. When Singaporeans commit to an altcoin, they research it thoroughly. What Singapore crypto traders actually want. Preferred altcoin categories. Layer 1 blockchains with strong regulatory backing. Market size: 15 billion Singapore dollars crypto trading volume monthly. Community expectations: transparent communication and regular updates. Regulatory compliance: clear legal positioning and risk disclosures. We've learned these lessons the hard way through years of campaigns in Singapore. Every failed project taught us something new about local preferences, and every success refined our approach. The Token Marketing Singapore advantage. We don't just translate your marketing materials, we completely adapt your messaging strategy for Singapore's unique crypto culture. Token Marketing Success Stories. Singapore Market Wins. Here are 3 real campaigns we've executed in Singapore's market. Names changed for confidentiality, but results and lessons are 100% real. Case Study 1. Regulatory First DeFi Protocol Launch. The challenge: a Singapore-based DeFi protocol needed to launch while maintaining MAS compliance requirements. Our Singapore-specific strategy. We worked with their legal team to create educational content that explained complex DeFi concepts in regulatory-friendly language, positioning the protocol as a compliant innovation rather than regulatory arbitrage. The results: 12 million Singapore dollars raised in seed round with 0 regulatory issues. Protocol now serves as compliance benchmark for other Singapore DeFi projects. Key lesson: Singapore investors reward regulatory clarity over flashy promises. Lead with compliance, follow with innovation. Case Study 2. Cross-border payment token success. The challenge: an altcoin targeting remittances needed to gain traction among Singapore's diverse expatriate community. Our Singapore-specific strategy. We identified specific expat communities, Indonesian, Indian, Chinese, and created culturally specific campaigns explaining how the token solved their unique remittance pain points. The results: 200K plus active users within 6 months, processing 5 million Singapore dollars plus monthly in cross-border transfers. Key lesson: Singapore's multiculturalism requires segmented marketing approaches. One size definitely doesn't fit all. Case Study 3. Institutional Grade Layer 1 Positioning. The challenge: a new Layer 1 blockchain needed to attract Singapore's sophisticated institutional investors. Our Singapore-specific strategy. We focused on technical documentation and arranged private demos with family offices and crypto funds, positioning the chain as Ethereum for regulated institutions. The results: secured partnerships with 3 major Singapore crypto funds and 2 family offices before public launch. Key lesson: Singapore institutions want to see the technology first, marketing second. Substance over style wins every time. These aren't generic success stories we copy-paste for every country. Each campaign taught us something specific about Singapore's crypto market, and we apply these insights to every new project. Why Singapore crypto projects choose token marketing. Deep Singapore market understanding. We've been executing crypto campaigns in Singapore since the early days. We understand the regulatory evolution, have relationships with local exchanges, and know which altcoin narratives resonate with Singapore investors versus global trends. Proven track record in Singapore. 470+ successful campaigns globally, with specific expertise in Singapore's unique market dynamics. We've helped altcoin projects navigate Singapore regulatory requirements, build authentic local communities, and achieve sustainable growth. Local time zone advantage. Working Singapore hours, Sargent UTC+8, means we're active during both the Asian market open and can catch late-night European moves. Authentic relationships, not just partnerships. We don't work with Singapore crypto projects as clients. We work with them as partners. When your altcoin succeeds in Singapore, we succeed. This alignment creates better results than traditional agency relationships. Regulatory compliance expertise. Every Singapore crypto marketing campaign includes compliance review. We work within regulatory frameworks rather than pushing boundaries, ensuring your altcoin project builds sustainable growth rather than regulatory risk. Cultural intelligence. Singapore's sophisticated institutional investors demand compliance-first marketing. Retail crypto adoption is cautious but deep. When Singaporeans commit to an altcoin, they research it thoroughly. Visit the link in the description below for more information.